Now, another way of really looking at a green building approach in light fixtures is to use a light fixture made out of recycled materials. Many companies that make green products do so by using recycled materials, recycling things like bronze, brass, copper, aluminum. All of these things were used in the creation of these light fixtures. Now, this is a wall sconce. It looks great, nice design features, can be used both inside and out, made from 100% recycled aluminum. Here's some other ones. It's a pendant light, kind of has a different look to it. This one with a halogen light in it. And another pendant light that almost has kind of a futuristic look to it. That may look okay in the right decor. But another thing that's kind of neat about the company that makes these particular fixtures is that they really embrace the green building strategy in their manufacturing. All of the water that's used in the process of making these fixtures is all recycled, and any of the scrap materials that they have is also recycled. That makes a lot of sense.